Good evening. Today I am with you. In a few minutes, I want to talk with you. So today I am very relaxed and with freely and with joyly I will talk with you. Today I am not in a hurry mood. Just I will talk with you. So dear friend, everybody say that we should get up early morning. Why? What is the reason? So these things can set your life. I tell these things can set your life. But now you will ask how this one habit means wake up early morning, how can it change my life? So dear tell me, when you not have any goal, when you not have any direction, so will you get up? Do you believe? I don't believe, because when you have any kind of direction or aim or ambition, so that time you will get up the early morning, because you also feel so happiness in late sleeping. But when you have this habit, means you will try to sleep also early in the night time, and you will scroll, you will stop your scrolling. What happen in night time? When we start scrolling means about Insta reel, Facebook reel, and YouTube reel, and we also thought means after 1 minute or two or three reel I will stop. But how we involve this happiness, and we don't have an idea. Hour and hour we pass without any reason. By watching this reel, we can't learn anything, I am sure. But we also do these things because we don't have any direction. So same, when you will have a idea, when you will set a goal, means early morning I have to get up 5 o'clock, or you have to get up 4 o'clock according to your easily. Means don't set means I will get up 3 o'clock means Brahma Muhurto. No, because first few days take a time, means very easily you can complete this time. So you can set means, for example, 5 o'clock. You get up 5 o'clock. After that, you can go for morning exercise, because now you have a time. So 20 minutes, maybe half an hour, 1 hour, whatever is possible for you, according to your time schedule, you can go. So what is the benefit of exercise? Because it can help you your maintain your health, maintain your weight, and it will help you from disease, and it will give you a very motivation, because you are now totally apart among the 1% between 100%. Because when you will see your blazers, there is a maybe thousands of people they are living, but you are the one, means you are also wake up early morning and you have come for morning exercise. It is your number one victory. And when you will come back from morning exercise, so drink water. So drinking water also is another habit. It also can help us, because our body depend on water. But entire day we also try to consume lots of drink, means tea, sugar consuming drinks, and many more things. So you can drink 1 glass water, 1 liter water according to your capacity. After that, you also have a time for, maybe you are a student, you are a businessman, maybe you are a teacher. According to your, everybody have a desire. So when you will have a time for study, so you can grow your knowledge, you can acquire knowledge regarding your profession. So these things also will help you to grow in your life, because most of the people they also just no run in a flow, they never try to upgrade. But era for them, they also change, they also gain the new idea, they also gain the new things in their life. And after that, when you will get up early morning, you already completed your morning exercise, you completed your means morning routine, means study. After that, now time for your workplace, go for work. So when you will go, you work and your colleague will go workplace. So that time, what is advantage for you? You are so motivated because you completed your exercise, you drank water, you already completed your study material, and you also took breakfast in a time. And your friend, see your friend, and he also gets up, means 8:30. By how he also took bath, and in Harimut time was 9, and he already come for office. He has no time for study, he has no time for his himself, means exercise, he has no time for breakfast. And compare yourself with your friend and with you. After a few years, where will you? When you will follow this routine every single day, you will gain your knowledge, you will improve your body, you will fight with body disease, and your body will fit from your friend. After 10 years, when you will see your friend and you, then you will find you are in a better position than your friends. You are in a same position, but you are in a good position. So that is the benefit of early morning. So my dear friend, so this is the benefit. And think about yourself, means what do you want to do, and then decide. Because if you have a goal in your life, so you have to do something good, you have to acquire the habit. Because see the every successful people, what is the habit of them, then you will find it is the common habit of every successful people. They also have a time for sleeping, they also have a time for wake upping up. But when you will see the life of unsuccessful people, then you will find he has no time for sleeping. And according to his mind, he is running. He has no time for waking up. So this type of people, they never can't make a history. But those people have a habit for sleeping, have a habit for everything. They have a fixed time. They also did lots of things in their life. Now, decision for you. You have to take decision where you want to go. If you want to go in a this category, means they don't have a direction, they don't have any kind of an ambition, so it is choice for you. And if you go this side, means successful life, so you have to follow the routine, you have to follow the lifestyle of successful people. So both choice for you. But what will happen? You have to decide one, either one, because there is no another option. If you use your brain, so this is good for you. But if brain start using you, so after 5 years, you will just have a regret, 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 nothing else. So my dear friend, just last I want to say, make a schedule for yourself. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.